In this video, I am going to show you how to send Bitcoin in Cash App quickly and easily. Sending Bitcoin allows you to transfer your cryptocurrency to another Cash App user or an external wallet. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin icon, the symbol that looks like a Bitcoin, at the bottom of the screen to access the Bitcoin section. In the Bitcoin section, you will see your current Bitcoin balance. To send Bitcoin, tap on the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. You can either enter a specific amount or select one of the preset amounts available. Next, you need to choose the recipient. You can do this by entering their Cash App username hashtag, scanning their QR code, or entering their Bitcoin wallet address if they are using an external wallet. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong address. Once you've entered the amount and selected the recipient, review the transaction details, including any fees that may apply. If everything looks good, tap Send to complete the transaction. Cash App will notify you when the Bitcoin has been successfully sent. That's it. You've successfully learned how to send Bitcoin in Cash App. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.